Wire number assignment can be done by using reference number. To show you the example of this mode, I'm going to specify the wire number in this wire. So I choose wire number in the Insert Wires Wire Numbers panel. In the Display dialog box, the line reference is available in the wire tag mode, and I choose Pick Individual button to select the desired wire. I click on this wire, then press Enter. And the wire number is attached to this wire based on the reference number of this ladder. If you want to update the wire numbers but you decide to fix some wire numbers and do not change them, the Fixing Wire Numbers tool can be used. To do so, select the Fix tool from Edit Wire Number drop-down. Then you will be requested to select objects. So choose the wire number you want it to keep unchanged. Then press Enter. If you try to change this wire number, it can't be done. To show you this case, I choose wire number to specify a new wire number to this wire and choose the sequential to do that. Then pick this wire. Here it can be seen that the wire number is fixed and has not changed. To unfix the wire number and set it as a normal wire number, you have to select Edit Wire Number. To do that, just right-click on this fixed wire number, then choose Edit Wire Number. In the Open dialog box, uncheck Fix box, then choose OK button. After doing that, the wire number will be unfixed, and if you set a new wire number, it can be done. I'm going to show it, so I do the procedure of specifying new wire number to this wire. Here you can see the wire number has changed and is not locked. To specify wire number in line on a wire, you can choose the Copy Wire Number in Line tool from the Copy Wire Number drop-down. Then you will be requested in the command line to specify the insertion point. So you have to just click on your desired wire and the number will be inserted in line with the wire. Until you press the Escape key, the command will be continued. So press Escape to exit the command. To reverse or flip the direction of a wire number, you can use Flipping a Wire Number from the Edit Wires Wire Numbers panel. In the command line, you will be requested to select a wire number to mirror. Click on the number, then press Enter to exit the command.